Hello AI and ML communities. Today I'm going to give you 800 plus free resources on computer system. It includes data structures and algorithms, artificial intelligence, machine learning, quantum computing, and data science, analytics, and many more. Please stay tuned. When I said 800 plus free resources, everybody will surprise about. Is it true? Yes, it's true. So I'm going to show you a link that contains all the links of the website, YouTube videos, and many sites which are they kept it in one portal. But you don't have to spend any single dollar on this courses. It's all free. You can learn on your own and you can learn on your own phases as well. Please take it as forward. Go to github.com developer y cs video courses. I can give you the link on the description. You can take the link and then you can go ahead. You can see it as a computer science courses, video lectures, introduction to computer science, data structures and algorithms, systems programming, database systems, artificial intelligence, machine learning, web programming and internet technologies, computer networks, math for computer scientists, theoretical CS and programming languages, embedded systems, computer organization and architecture, security, computer graphics, image processing, and computer vision, computational biology, quantum computing, robotics, computational finance, blockchain development, and many things. It's available. If you go to each and every course, if you click this course, for example, introduction to computer science, it has a link that will tell you how many courses are available on this link. You can click and check that what are the courses available. It go to YouTube or it go to Harvard University or Berkeley University or Stanford. It has a mini institute. It is there or Coursera, and then you can see the data structures and algorithms, and you can see how many things it's available. And then the system programmings that is also there. And if you want to learn about operating systems on Unix, Linux, it has a distributed systems. Then real-time systems it has, and also one of the things is database systems. Okay, so if you want to learn SQL, Oracle, any other systems, it has all the details from the basic. Some courses are actually like a college based, or the university they actually conducted for that their semester, and then they posted on online YouTube or in their website. You can check that as well. Quiz, some of assignments also will be there. I don't know whether they will give you outside, but at least you can practice on your own. But if you Google it, some of the question, the answers will be available. Somebody posted on their website or some website, or you can see it will give you a path to Stack Overflow as well. And then you can see even if you're from India, you can see IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, some of the IITs also they posted the courses as well. And then software engineering, we have on the software engineering, that is a different object-oriented design, C++, Java, that's a main thing they do. And then we have a software engineering for, you can see the UC Berkeley also, it has that. See, Harvard University also provide that some of the courses. It is very good one. And then you can see the software architecture, that is also, it will give you a benefit for you. And then the concurrency, that's when you are in the programming, the multi-thread concurrency, that is all one of the biggest path you need to take it forward when you want to be in a intermediate to advanced developers. And then mobile application development. See, this is now we are in the mobile. Everywhere you go, you can see that everyone is carrying their own computer system on their hand. We can say it's a mobile, whether it's Android or it's iOS or some other OS systems. You can develop on your own also. And then you can see our artificial intelligence. Nowadays, if you want to go for artificial intelligence, it's a big buzzword also on the side. So it is you can learn. You don't have to spend any money. You can go to this course and then you can check. At least you can get an idea how it works and what are the things it does, right? So that will be very helpful. You can see University of Washington, I said already, Harvard is there, Stanford is there, UC Berkeley also. they given a free videos. And then you can see the machine learning. That's one of the things is learning the data and detecting the patterns on the machine learning side. You can go and watch this. This is one of the famous one is the machine learning on Andrew NG. And if you there are many things is there in the machine learning part. And then we have a data mining. There is a one course which I posted for the data science also provided by Microsoft. I don't see the link here, but I'll give the link on my description as well. That is also a useful one. But other than Microsoft, I can see that many other uh, institutions are giving that free data science courses as well. And then the mathematical, the probabilistic graphical modeling also there. And then we have a deep learning, that is if you want to learn computer vision or the neural network. That's a big area on the deep learning nowadays. If you see anything on the facial recognition or speech recognition, or if you want to Google search the Facebook translation or a Google translations. And then the one of the things is a reinforcement learning. Okay, this is the one of the thing is the biggest subject. If you look at a deep mind, okay, more spend the time, I believe, on the reinforcement learning, because you don't have to teach or provide the data or something, that it learns on its own over the period of the time. Okay, you need to but train it multiple times. That's one of the biggest one. But it's a when you are want to enroll in the reinforcement learning, you have to enhance your skill on the basic things, because reinforcement learning for me, it is like intermediate or advanced level if you want to learn artificial intelligence and machine learning part. And then they have advanced machine learning as well. But when you enroll any course, if you want to check advanced machine learning, wherever they put it, first you need to go through the machine learning introduction, because don't jump into advanced one, because you will not know what they are talking. Actually, you need to enhance your foundation. Okay, the foundation is the biggest part in any of the studies or any of the courses, right? That is the one thing. And then you can see the ML based natural language processing and the computer vision. The earlier was talking about that. If you see Google translations or any autonomous cars, or if you want to open the door for someone who already visited, these are the courses actually is good. So you can learn these courses as well. And then there is a time series analysis. If you want to do any forecasting or predicting the future on the time based, then the time series analysis. Again, I'm saying anything you want to do with these all, for me it's like intermediate or advanced. You need to strong your foundation. Okay. And then the miscellaneous machine learning topics also there. These are like a mathematical and statistics, there are there. But you can go through the previous one, and then you can come back and learn it. But even if you take this much of work in AI and machine learn, you will end up like another 5 years on only on the learning. Choose the correct one and then learn it. Probably I can post in the future video which one is a good. I normally check you Harvard and Stanford. Those are very good. And then I checked the Carnegie Mellon University, the latest one. It is so good. I can post about that also in the future. And then the next one is the computer system we are talking right here. The computer networks also there. And then you can see that the math for the computer science. Okay, so if you don't know the math background, for example, like a linear algebra, discrete mathematics, calculus, probability and statistics, and linear algebra already I was talking. The calculus is one of the hard part. When I studied, I spent a lot of time to understand the basic things on the calculator itself. But its differential equations are very very hard topic for me. And then the discrete mathematics, probability and statistics, and the linear algebra also, the courses are available. And then you can see the web programming. If you are in the it's a general computer science, right? If you're in general computer science, they also cover the web programming and the internet technologies. For example, now we are into web 3.0. Everybody is talking. Currently we are in web 2.0. But it talks about how you can develop the web and Java on the the front end and the back end, how you can develop the web development. And then the theoretical, they have a computer science and programming languages also. That'll be good. If you like to, you can take it up. And then the embedded system and VLS design, we normally call the embedded system. It's nowadays you can see the TV or micro and any of the devices which is already pre-encoded thing, that embedded softwares. So you can learn with the free. If somebody is interested in that as well, you can learn that. And then computer organization architecture, this is a basic one. In the college, if you are taking MS in computer science, this is one of mandatory subjects you need to go, computer organization and architecture. And then security, the cyber security is now it's actually become very popular, because anyone who's watching this video on the computer science, even the cyber security, they have a lot of things the university is posted. And then a computer graphics, this computer graphics is actually college based. You don't think like, okay, whether they can provide Adobe or Maya. I don't think they will provide that. At least they will talk about the basic graphics on WebGL. Those are the things they will talk about, that the basic, how the colors are coming, how the WebGL programming we can do, how they need to rotate it. Those are the basic things you need to understand how it works on the computer graphics. And then the image processing and the computer vision, that's another big subject they have. So you can see the list of things is available. Computational biology, this talks about the algorithms on bioinformatics and the healthcare related stuffs. This you can, if you are in particular healthcare subject, then you can check that as well. And then a quantum computing also there. Nowadays the quantum computing has become very popular. And robotics, so now you can see that robotics is very popular. When the AI going to become popular, or it will be a dominate in another 5 years, you can see many robots will be developed. Currently robots are all available, but it's not that much, I can say, strong AI they call. Nowadays we are using a weak AI. I will talk about the video in the future. The strong AI, it's actually a critical thinking is important, that will be developed in the future as well. But there are many researches that currently is going on. You can see in maybe in, I don't know, maybe in another 2 to 5 years it will be in the world. If you are interested in robotics, you can check these courses. It's available. And then we have a computational finance. If you find the finance, a mathematical finance or quantitative finance, if you are in a stock market, okay, if you are in the financial market or something, you can check this computational finance thing, because this is one of the stock market. You can see this financial derivatives and risk management. These all available. And then if you want to be a quant as a stock market, where you can predict the price, the machine learning and the AI also have the stock market nowadays, it predict and buy and sell the stocks. And then blockchain development also is there. You can check this. And then the miscellaneous, they put it as a HCI, the human computer interaction design, game development, geospatial, that is available. That's all we have. This is a 800 plus free resources. Okay, don't miss this. Before you go to join any courses or anything you want to take a benefit, please come to this, and then first you check whether what you wanted. If it is available, first check this course and then you try it on yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I will post more videos on in the future. Thank you.